Monster Smoke Red. Nice. Alright, we got a Monster Smoke Blue. Cindy's gonna light it. I'm gonna stand right over here. Alright, so I lit off a red and a blue Monster Smoke. And the blue one, was the, we'll call it the more compliant version, which is crackle. And I found this in the yard after it went off, which I thought was kind of interesting. For those of you out there who make your own fireworks, if you're like me, you like to look at these kind of things sometimes. Anyways, you can see the blue dye on the insert. Anyways, the red one was the salute version. This was, I guess, the crackle compliant. But here's the insert. I just figured I'd add this to the end of the video. But interesting.